Ngayon naman mga boss, alamin natin itong Sinag Maynila Film Festival. Dito lamang yan sa ETC.
Hindi maipagkakailang malayo na nga ang narating ng mga Filipino filmmakers. Patunay nito ang pag-usbong ng iba't ibang indie film competition, kagaya ng Sinag Maynila Film Festival.
Ang objective lang ito, just to provide more venues and more financing and more opportunities for filmmakers.
Ang advocacy kasi natin dito is to reach as much audience as we can with the kind of films that we make, that it doesn't have to be graphic. What I can assure, and I've been telling this to the filmmakers, and because these filmmakers actually na nakatrabaho ko, gumawa na rin sila sa ibang festival. But what I can assure them is this festival is friendlier to the filmmaker and to the artist. Yung pinaka-major difference siguro ng festival ito, yung collaboration with the filmmakers. Hindi lang siya magbibigay ng grant, kundi nagko-collaborate ka from the script stage to the production stage and then up to the post-production stage. I think that's very important.
Bukod sa funding at technical support, layunin din ito ang mas maipakilala ang mga indie film sa international scene.
We are doing another film festival, but this one is opening day is March 18, and then we will have awards night, the closing night, March 21.
May 5 pelikula na maglalaban-laban ngayong taon. Ang Balut Country ni Paul Santa Ana, Babanti ni Zig Dulag, Invisible ni Lawrence Fajardo, Ninja Party by Jim Libiran, at Swap na obra ni Rempton Zuasola. Masaya naman ang mga artistang nagsipagganap sa advokasiyang dala ng kanilang pelikula.
Ninja Party is basically a film about 4 Catholic schoolgirls who are exploring their sexuality. And so it's basically trying to push across a message of implementing sex education and being more careful. Also a message to the parents, but to teens who are curious about things like this. This is definitely something that we're trying to say. It talks a lot about the Philippine setting. I just hope that everybody understands, but most importantly, is happy with the making of this film.
Malikhain, makulay, at mapagpalaga. Yan ang tatak na hahangaan sa Filipino indie film.